How to turn on Brave rewards so you can get rewards like coins or tokens. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Brave rewards. So the first thing we do is you go to Brave, your Brave browser, and after that you go to those three dots here down below and click on settings, and you will find this option that called Brave Rewards. Click on it and now turn on. Click turn on or turn off. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and to support me to post more and more. Thank you so much for watching till the end.